Hey Eric, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I just wanted to take a quick minute and show you this truck that you had expressed some interest in. This is the F-350 King Ranch 2016 with a 4-inch lift, wheels, tires, 60 horsepower tune in the throttle body position sensor. We'll go around and show you the wheels first. Wheels and tires are all in great shape. Like I said, they're Trail Grapplers 35s. The truck is in really good condition. I'm going to walk up and down either side of this truck so you can get a good feel of what kind of condition it's in. Grill's in great shape. No dings or dents. Looks good along through here as well. I'm going to walk down these body lines for you here. When I do these videos, I try to point out anything that I see. I only saw one blemish on that truck, and it was up here on the B pillar, which is right here. It's really light. I can't actually feel it. There and right there. Other than that, there's one other small blemish right there. Tailgate's in good shape. You usually see guys that are pulling fifth wheel or goosenecks. They've dinged the tailgate up. With this one, looks great. Now for the other side. I don't know if I mentioned, these do have the power deployable running boards here. These are aftermarket. These are the AMP Research ones. Those are the nicest aftermarket ones you can get. Passenger seat looks great. Does have the sunroof. Most of these trucks, when you look in the back seat, it looks like nobody sat in them. That is the case with this truck. All-weather floor mats all the way through it. Heated rear seats. I'll go over here to the driver's side, let you take a look at it. As of right now, this truck's got 26,348 miles on it. It's in immaculate condition. Hope this helps give you some clarity on what kind of condition this truck's in, man. If you got any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.